Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your browser settings and heading straight to Privacy and Security or Site Settings. This is where cookie policies live. Once there, pause to confirm you're on the correct profile if you use multiple accounts, because changes apply per profile. Next, find the Cookies or Site Data subsection and select it. This opens the controls for blocking or allowing cookies. You need the Settings pane open to change the Block All Cookies toggle, so keep it visible and ready for the next step. Now locate the Block All Cookies option. Browsers sometimes label it Block Third-Party Cookies, so read carefully. You will turn that toggle off or uncheck the box. Doing so restores normal cookie behavior for most sites. Once done, switch the overall cookie setting back to Allow or Default if your browser uses that terminology, and then immediately add trusted sites to an Allow list so essential logins and features still work. Make sure to save or apply changes if the browser requires it before moving on. Finish by restarting the browser to ensure settings apply, then test a site that failed when Block All Cookies was enabled. You should be able to log in and see persistent settings. If problems continue, clear cookies for that specific site or reset its permissions in Site Settings, because stale blocked cookies can cause issues. One troubleshooting tip: use developer tools or a privacy extension to monitor which cookies are set. This helps confirm whether an exception is needed or whether a different.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.